Achoo! Avi, the bees are going to attack us! Run! Achoo! 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 Why are the sneezes not stopping? Avi, your nose is going to burst! Achoo!
What happened, kids?
Avis can't stop sneezing!
Let's learn why do we sneeze.
But how?
Let's go. Nose helps us when we inhale dirt, pollens and dust.
So when I sneeze, they come out. Achoo!
Sneeze keep our nose clean.